incarnation also there is some mess. Okay, so the only option that I have now currently to bring up the database allow reset logs corruption. Okay, so now I don't have my RK logs in place. Already the incarnation also there is some mess. Okay, so the only option that I have now currently to bring up the database with data loss. Okay, so currently there is a data loss because I don't have any of the RKs, but my goal is to bring the database up. Okay, so we are taking a cold backup of the database, right? So we don't need any reset logs, but whenever whenever we are cloning a database from a cold backup, right, we don't need a reset logs. But whenever we are cloning a database from a hot backup database, then we need a reset log because when we take the backup from a hot backup database, the RK logs will be generated. The database will be live. So while the database is live, I'm taking the backup. But for cold backup, I will shut down the database and then mount the database and then take the backup. So newer RK logs will not be generated.